A prominent attorney now at the center of the state's DWI scandal says he's no longer practicing law.
This judge was saying, based on what I've seen in pleadings in court, this isn't a significant issue for me, and I have an obligation to see whether Thomas Clear can be allowed to practice.
Last month, Chief United States District Judge Kenneth Gonzalez ordering Thomas Clear to show cause why suspension, disbarment, or other discipline is not appropriate.
Clear has basically said, game over here because I'm not going to be a lawyer anymore. I'm not going to practice law. I'm going to give up my license. Since I'm doing that, there's no reason to go further.
The state Supreme Court issuing their own order for the same reason shortly after.
He has not formally been charged with anything.
Federal documents show officers and deputies from the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office, New Mexico State Police, and the Albuquerque Police Department work with Clear and his private investigator Ricardo Mendez to dismiss cases involving drivers suspected of DWI in exchange for money and favors.
We've seen allegations in pleadings, but to date, there's been nothing that has been filed against Thomas Clear.
Clear stating in his response he changed his status as a member of the New Mexico State Bar from active to inactive, just 5 days before the first court order. His order to show cause also states, quote, he has not been formally charged with a crime and there are no pending charges he must disclose.
He is presumed innocent. He hasn't been convicted of anything.
Clear argues he will have to give up his Fifth Amendment rights, which he says he cannot do and tells the court he is asserting that right against self-incrimination.
This was simply a chief federal judge trying to exercise his supervisory powers over who can practice in federal court, and it doesn't really have any direct effect on any potential criminal case.
He is now requesting the court to accept his resignation as a member of the New Mexico State Bar based on his change of status and eligibility.